I am interested in becoming a Commercio.network's validator node, a step-by-step node setup guide. We are doing daily tutorials, trying our best to simplify a complex subject like blockchain. It's not easy. If you like what we are doing, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support means the world to us and helps us to continue creating the blockchain videos you love. Are you interested in setting up your own Commercio.network blockchain node but don't know where to start? In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to set up your own Commercio.network blockchain node. First, you need to choose your node type, whether it's a full node or a validator node. Full nodes store the entire transaction history of the blockchain, while validator nodes validate new transactions that are added to the chain. Next, you need to gather the necessary resources, such as a server or computer with sufficient storage space, internet access, and the necessary software to run the node. Once you have gathered the necessary resources, you need to download the required software, such as the Commercio.network daemon and the Commercio.network command line interface. After downloading the software, you can begin the installation process by following the instructions provided in the installation guide for your specific operating system. Next, you need to configure your node by setting up your node's identity and other settings. You can refer to the configuration guide for detailed instructions. Once your node is configured, you can connect it to the Commercio.network network to allow your node to begin communicating with other nodes on the network and participating in the network's consensus process. It's important to monitor your node regularly to ensure that it is functioning properly. You can use the command line interface or other tools to check the status of your node and make any necessary adjustments. Lastly, it's essential to keep your node updated with the latest software releases to ensure that it is running the most secure and stable version of the software. By following this guide, you can set up your own Commercio.network blockchain node and start participating in the network. Keep in mind that this guide provides a general overview of the process, and specific instructions may vary depending on the use case and the user's technical expertise. Setting up a Commercio.network blockchain node may seem intimidating, but with the right guidance and resources, it can be a straightforward process. So, what are you waiting for? Start setting up your own Commercio.network blockchain node today. Thank you for watching. Get in touch with us or sign up on Commercio.app.